this video, we will learn about arrays. So, our first question comes into our mind is like, what is array? And when we know that what is array, then the second question arises that why we need array, and then we will see the implementation of this array. So, what is array? So, this is the definition of array. Like, array is a data structure that store homogeneous data within the continuous memory locations. So it means कि जब भी हमको एक से ज़्यादा वैल्यू स्टोर करवानी होती है, एक से ज़्यादा इन द सेंस लाइक वी नीड टू स्टोर टोटल 10 to 15 वैल्यूज़ और 15 वैल्यूज़ और 16 वैल्यूज़ और 20 वैल्यूज़. So we can store those values in array in continuous memory locations. Like अगर memory location like if the memory location is 550, इसके अंदर हमने स्टोर कर रखा है 1, तो जब हम 2 स्टोर करेंगे वो 551 में जाएगा, फिर वो 553 में क्या जाए, 552 में क्या जाएगा, 3 जाएगा. इस तरह से कंटिन्यूस मेमोरी लोकेशंस के अंदर हम वैल्यू स्टोर करते हैं. बट देर इज ऑल्सो वन मोर थिंग, लाइक इफ वी आर डिक्लेयरिंग एन इंटीजर टाइप ऑफ एरे, so it means like integer will take 4 bytes. So if we are storing 1 at 550 memory location, then at 553 554, at 554 the 2 will be stored, at 558 the 3 will be stored, because a single integer took 4 bytes. So we can say that as well, like this is also a continuous memory location, because the integer 1 took the memory location 551 551, then 552, then 553. These all 4 memory location is reserved by 1. So 554, 555, 556, 557, these all 4 memory location reserved by 2, because 2 is also an integer value. So an array is a data structure that store homogeneous data. Homogeneous data means like we are storing integer values. So integer values is like 1, like 2, like 3, like 300, like 400, like 500. Any number is an integer. If we are storing a number into the array, then we need to store integers only. So and now when we got what is array, I hope आपको समझ में आ गया होगा what is array. Now we are going to कि ये क्यों है, why array came into the picture, why array becomes so popular, because array is mostly used data structure in every programming language. Whenever अगर आप बैकएंड के लिए कहीं पे भी जाते हैं तो you are definitely going to use array to store some data. So array is very important also, because it is most widely used data structure. So so why array came into the picture? What happens, like we have variables. Like if we need to store something, we can say that int a is equal to 10. We stored value 10 into a in the a variable. But if we want to store 10 values, then how can we store it? Like we will create one more variable, int b is 20. So int b is 20, int c equal to 30. We need to take 10 variables to store 10 values. but array is a concept in which we can store one or more than one value in it. Like if I am going to create an array with a size of 10, like ARR, its size is 10, I can store 10 value in it. 10 like 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. So we stored 10 values in it. So we do not need to take 10 variables for this. Like this one is not now. So now uh, like in variables we can get the data with the help of the variable name. Like if we create a variable int a10, and if we want to print this, then we can, what we do, we will write this printf and %d in it, and also pass the a here. So this will print the 10. But how we can print the 10 in array? This is called like getting the elements from array. Like if we want to print the 10 in array, we need to put 0 here. Like because array 0 is 10, array 1 is 2 is 30, 3 is 40, 4 is 50, 5 is 60, 6 is 70, 7 is 80, 8 is 90 and 9 is 100. So our arrays start from index 0. Like if we want to print 10, we should write the index here, like in the square bracket 0. If array square bracket के अंदर 0, then it means it will gives us the value at position 0. So this is the position where 10 is placed, and the memory location is a different thing. This is like if I am going to take 10 size of array of integers, then it will be like 550, 551, 552, 553. This is like these all four memory locations have this number 10, जिसको हमने नाम दे दिया 0. So these all four locations now has a name which is 0 and which has a value of 10. So in array we will represent number with the square bracket and the integer value which is the position of the array in it. So if we print here, it will print the 10. So we can do /n here because I want to see the hello world below the number. So our output is like of this line is 10, and of this line output is hello world. So let's save it first. It's not saved. Make it this. Let's save it and run it. So here you can see the 10 is printed and hello world is here. Our hello world is here because we used /n, which is a line changing symbol. So I hope you understand this. This is not like completion of this array. Array is there is so much more in the array. Thank you for hanging with me. So please like it and please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.